Smart contact lenses could soon become mainstream thanks to a new manufacturing process that has allowed researchers to develop a multifunctional ultra-thin sensor layer. In a paper published by the journal Matter, engineers from the University of Surrey together with partners from Harvard University, University of Science and Technology of China, UK National Physical Laboratory, George Washington University and Zhejiang University Ningbo Research Institute report. The global team of engineers reveal that the new contact lens sensor system contains a photodetector for receiving optical information, a temperature sensor for diagnosing potential corneal disease and a glucose sensor for directly monitoring the glucose levels in tear fluid. This new layer could instead be mounted onto a contact lens and maintain direct contact with tears, thanks to its easy assembly, high detection sensitivity, good biocompatibility and mechanical robustness. Further, it doesn't interfere with either blinking or vision. Professor Sheng Zhang, Co-AUT. This kind of research will also become one of the major research directions at the Ningbo Research Institute. Dr. Yunlong Zhao, the co-author of this study and lecturer in energy storage and bioelectronics at the Advanced Technology Institute (ATI), University of Surrey, said, "The COVID-19 pand. We are confident that devices that utilize our sensor layer system could be used as a non-invasive way. Our results provide not only a unique and simple method for manufacturing advanced smart contact lenses but also novel insight for designing other multifunctional electronics for human-machine interface." Story source: materials provided by University of Surrey. Note: content may be edited for style and length. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.